Hi everyone, this is Sakshi Malik and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again and this time I'm starting out with a simple look which is for beginners who want to nail that winged eyeliner using minimum products for the entire look. I start by prepping my extremely dry skin with the Indulgio Rose Gold Oil by massaging it into my face. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as an eye primer and applying it all over my eyelids. Sticking Scotch tape following the waterline on the lower lash, matching both the eyes, makes it easier to get that winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going in with my current favorite palette, the Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using the shades Burnt Orange and Orange Soda for a very light definition on the crease. Using the shade Tempera, which is a matte whitish shade just to smoothen out the lids. Next, I'm going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Bourbon to draw my eyeliner following the tape. With the shade Cypress Umber, I'm smudging out this line using a flat brush. Repeating the same on the other eye. Using the shade Noir, which is a black, I'm further intensifying the eyeliner. And there you have your winged eyeliner. The mascara I'm using here is NYX's Worth the Hype, and trust me, it really is. To glam up this look, I'm using lashes from CS Essentials in the style Selena. Now back to the skin, I start by priming it with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And next up is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 260. I start by dotting it all over my face and then blending it out using my beauty blender. I'm skipping the corrector for this look and going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, using it to brighten and conceal my under eyes as well as accentuate my nose and the natural contour lines on the face. Using the MERCIER translucent powder, I'm gonna set my base in place. Next up is contour using the NYX Matte Powder Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Too Faced Sweetheart Blush in Sparkling Bellini. followed by BECCA Champagne Pop for an amazing highlight. And for the brows, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and this happens to be my current favorite brow product. And to set them in place, I'm using the brow mascara from GLOSSIER. And next, I'm using Bourbon on my waterline. And smudging it out using the shade Sienna. And using the shade Tempera as a brow bone and inner corner highlight. And to finish this soft and simple look, I'm using a nude pink mauvish shade from Huda Beauty called Muse. And last but not the least, some MAC Fix Plus to set my makeup for the day. So this is the final look. This is how you get the perfect winged eyeliner without using any liquid or gel eyeliners. Perfect if you're new to makeup. I hope you guys like this look. So please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and do share this video. Thanks and see you soon.